Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the forecast chart of EURUSD in front of us. And as discussed and as expected, EURUSD is still under the pressure of sellers. Right now, EURUSD is standing at 1.0747. In a previous video, we discussed about the range of EURUSD, where we had 1.0830 as the resistance and we had 1.0760 as a temporary support EURUSD was trying to hold. And we were waiting for EURUSD to move out of the box, and now we can see that finally EURUSD has moved out of the box. So if you already have taken a sell position, then you can be on the trade. No need to exit from the trade because there is a high chance that market will be going down further. If you look at the chart of DXY dollar, then probably you know it very well that dollar is bullish right now. There is no doubt about it. We were hoping for some crazy movements or volatility during FOMC, but sadly we did not get anything. Market was more or less silent, and you can see that market is more or less reacting with the usual speed only. You can see here, this is the news here that EURUSD at critical juncture as bears launch all-out assault on the major trend line. Okay, so overall EURUSD is a little bit critical right now, and we are not seeing the correlation with the dollar right now that we used to get. Previously, we used to have a very simple correlation of EURUSD, gold, GBP/USD with dollar, but right now we can see that they are not in a good mood right now. Okay, so as a result, it's better to focus on this particular chart only. Okay, as we can clearly see that EURUSD is right now out of the box, and it is the sell is continuing because the EURUSD is still continuing the structure of the market. The structure of the market is lower lows and lower highs. So it clearly gives us the impression that sellers are still dominating the market. And in this type of market, obviously, taking a sell position is always the best thing to do. But EURUSD is also approaching a very important support. The important support of 1.0728 to 1.0713. This is a very critical support on the chart of EURUSD. Let me show you. You can see here previously market has shown price rejection around this area, and if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that this is also the previous resistance acting as support, and also Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So this level is very important. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can expect market to bounce from here. If market bounces from the support, you can consider a buy. But in case market shows good amount of volatility during the day, and if market breaks 1.0710, then things will be a little bit critical for EURUSD, because if market breaks this level, we can consider a sell position, and a big sell may come also on the chart of EURUSD. Why? Because you can see that if EURUSD breaks this level here, you can see there is no immediate support on the chart. Then there is a high chance that we may also get a free fall on the chart of EURUSD. Okay, so as a result, this level will be very important because it seems to be the last line of defense for EURUSD right now. So during the day, observe the market. As we can clearly see that market is already heading lower, continuing the structure. Observe the market around this area. If market takes support and bounces from 1.0728, 1.0725, 2013 level, you can consider a buy. Not a complete trend reversal, at least you can be on the trade for 30-40 pips. But in case market fails, if you see a good selling pressure by the European session or US session, then obviously things will be difficult for EURUSD, and you can also consider taking a sell position as well. That is the only trading opportunity. These are the two trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD that I see right now. And yes, if Euro USD tries to move up, then there will be obviously some sellers also present that will try to push the market down. But right now, we do not have any exact level yet. Okay, because you can see that the moving averages are far away from the major moving averages that we use are far away. The major moving average like 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average, they are far away from the current market price right now. So as a result, we cannot expect them to come for rescue. Okay, but here we can also use the 221 moving average. Okay, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of 21 moving average, but when we get a market condition like this, when the major moving averages are far away from the market, in that case, we can use the 21 moving average. And as you can see here, 21 moving average is showing us in the way right now. Okay, so you can also add the 21 moving average, and during the day, if market tries to recover, observe the market around the 21 MA. If market reverses, you can easily go for a sell position. As the moving average is a dynamic resistance, so we do not have any exact number. We will only get to know in the live market only. Okay, but still you can expect the resistance to be around 1.0785, 1.0780, and the previous level, okay, the previous level of 1.0800 is also present as a minor resistance. Okay, and considering the trend of the market, it is better to look for sell positions only. So during the day, if market tries to recover also, observe the market around the 21 moving average, because apart from 21 MA, we do not have any other major resistance right now, technically. If I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, so if market reverses for the 21 moving average, we can look for a sell position. That's it. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. And my dear friends, before I wrap up, I would like to mention that we also have news coming up. So please be careful during the news. As I always say, gain some experience by observing the news market, but try to close on all your dollar positions, because market may show extreme volatility and you don't want to gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's all from my side. Follow proper risk management. I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.